to the next brand.
You did a lot of touring, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Take me step by step to what you did for the people who don't know the route that you took.
What that was just a result of consecutive, non-stop touring, and also a combination of releasing free projects, which was really albums. So you take these mixtapes, these classic mixtapes, mixed with my touring, you develop a real fan base. So what we learned is a real solid fan base is way more important than a record at radio. Calls started coming from colleges because I had this real underground buzz. That was my first solo tour experience, was doing just college after college after college. By that next year, I'm on my own tour doing clubs, 400, 500 people venues. It's just a slow growth, and before you knew it, I had been out on the road 3 straight years.
Then you ended up selling like over 200,000 copies in your first week with your debut album. You built fan by fan.
Right, absolutely.